Okay, make sure your text tab is open. Window, text, and first you transcribe your sequence, which I already have, and it will show up in your transcript. This is a reflection of the transcript. Then you click Create Captions. We're going to choose Create from Sequence Transcript. We're going to choose Subtitle Default, but you can use other captions. We're doing subtitles for now. Subtitle format. Double line. Click Create. Now all your captions pop up in here, and you are able to edit them. And if you want, you can select them in the window, your program window, and edit them. Shadow, no shadow, background, font size, and so on. And you can have multiple streams. So if we go back in, create captions, if we want to create actual captions that will be used to turn on and off, we click 708. If that's what it requires, click Create. Now we have two streams we can export. We can export a traditional caption right here, which can be turned on or off, or we can export a burnt-in subtitle.